Now we know how can we form the images by using the concave lens. Okay. Now the sign convention for the concave lens. Just like the convex lens, all you know, we use the Cartesian plane. We just do the numericals like we use the sign like the Cartesian plane. We use same as for the concave lens. This is the concave lens, and we have learned that how can we form image by using the concave lens. So suppose there is an object. What will happen? The one light ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis will what?
Focus.
Will appear to diverge from focus. Okay? The line which is coming parallel to the principal axis will appear to diverge from the focus. And the second one ray which is coming towards the optical center passes straight without any deviation. Okay? These are the rules. Reaction okay. So always this type of image is formed by the concave lens. There is no other case like, other than this one. There is only the one cases. One type of image is always formed by the concave lens. In form of convex lens, we know that there are two types of images are formed, real and the virtual. But in case of concave lens, only these type of images are formed. That is always virtual, always red, always small lens object. So you know by this symbol we represent the distance of the object from the lens. Anchal? U. Very good. Since we are measuring the distance U to this side, it means U should be negative. If you are measuring the distance towards this side, it means it should be negative. So U is negative. And what is about the focal length? Focus. You are using this focus for the lens. So it should be positive or negative? Negative. Because we are measuring the distance to this side. And if we measure the distance to this side, it is always negative. So we can say F is negative. And what is about the H1? Positive. H1 is always positive because we always put the object erect. So H1 is positive. What is about the V? V is the distance of the image from the lens. Negative. Yes. This is negative. V is negative because always image is formed to this side, means virtual image, and for the virtual image we measure the distance to this side, it means V should be negative. So V is negative. And what is about the H2? H2 positive. Since object is erect and you are measuring the distance to the upward side, so it means it should be positive. So these are positive, H1 and H2. And all the values are negative for the concave lens. It is very easy to learn that all the values for the concave lens is negative other than H1 and H2. Okay, is it clear? So this is the sign convention for the concave lens. Now write in the heading sign convention for concave lens. And then draw this figure with this sign. किसको दिखा बेटा?
आगे
यहाँ दिखा किसको? Distance of object is U, focal length is F, and distance of image is V. You should always know what is the meaning of these symbols, that is U, V, F, H1 and H2. U is the distance of the object, V is the distance of the image. Okay, all of you have done this one? Now the same formula applied for the lens, concave lens, as for the convex lens we used. That is 1 upon F is equal to, Shantanu?
1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon E.
This was the first formula for the focal length, and for the magnification?
1 upon
H2 upon H1
H2 upon H1
equals to
V upon U. Okay, these are the formulas. The same formula for the convex lens and the same for the concave lens. Okay, anyone of you know the uses of the concave lens? Where we use this lens? Vishan? Okay, for first one for the eye thing, means for the defect of vision, that is for the myopia. You know the myopia? What's myopia? which we can't able to see the distant object. Like जो छोटे बच्चों को मतलब आप लोगों की एज में जो होता है आपके स्पेक्स लगे होते हैं वो मैक्सिमम जो होते हैं मायोपिया भी होता है. They are not able to see the distant object. So this is called a myopia, and for myopia we use the concave lens. Okay. Now the other use for the concave lens. No, this is another defect of vision. Other use for the concave lens. We use this lens for in making a telescope. Okay, for the telescope and other and optical instruments. Rear view mirror is a mirror, and this is a lens. Mirror means which has a polish from the one surface. शीशा है एक तरफ पॉलिश हो रखी है. लेंस क्या है? लेंस इज अ ग्लास का कांच का कोई ट्रांसपेरेंट टुकड़ा है. Okay. So there are some uses of the concave lens. You have to write the uses for the concave and the convex lens. Now we are going to do the numericals of the concave lens, and you will help me for doing the numericals. First one. That is the question. An object is placed at a distance of. An object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter from concave lens. 50 centimeter from the concave lens. For the concave lens, our focal length 20 centimeter. Our focal length 20 centimeter. Shrishti, what's the problem? Okay. An object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter. That is 50 centimeter from a concave lens. Okay, good. Our focal length 20 centimeter. Our focal length 20 centimeter. Find the nature, position of the image. Nature and position of the image. One question from Anas. Anas, what should be the sign of M for concave lens? It should be positive or should be negative? You should also know the reason for it. Why negative? You should also know what is the reason behind it. Like आप कह रहे positive तो positive क्यों और negative तो negative क्यों? Priyanshu Swan, what should be the sign of magnification here in the concave lens? Positive. Why positive? You should know why, whether it is positive or negative. Why it is positive or negative?
Because the positive signs show erect and virtual.
Very good, very good. This is the reason. We know that H1 is always positive because the object is always erect, and the image formed by the concave lens is also erect. So we can say both the signs are positive. So we can say since H2 is positive, H1 is positive, so M will be positive. Very good. Sit down. So magnification will always positive in case of concave lens. Okay. Okay. What is given in the question? Priyanshu Negi?
And distance 50 centimeter.
What is this?
U.
Okay. U is
50 centimeter.
really? Raghav? U is?
Minus 50.
Yeah, it should be negative, है ना? Minus 50. Sit down. Minus 50.
And focal length.
Sit down.
Focal length
Focal length is?
20 centimeter.
Is it positive or negative?
Positive. Negative.
सब हो गया. Negative. All the values, all the signs for concave lens are negative other than H2 and H1. Okay? So F is minus 12 or 10?
20.
20. Okay, sorry. 20 centimeter. So we can use the lens formula, that is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, and we can find the value of v.
This one.
Do it.
Well.
मैं भी कर दूं कैमरे के लिए. Okay. Now the minus will become plus. It will be positive, and when it comes here, it will become negative. So we will say minus 20 and minus 1 upon 50. है ना, क्लियर है ना, ये माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, इधर लाइक माइनस हो जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू 1/b निकल गया। ऐसे कितना है 100 -5 एंड -2 ये कितना आ रहा है 2 ही तो आ रहा है ना, -7/100 दैट इज 100/7 इधर कर देंगे वहां दिखता नहीं है। So 1/b is equal to -7/100 or we can say b is equal to 100/7 minus में, that is आप पॉइंट पे निकाल सकते हैं इसको। माइनस साइन शो दैट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ माइनस साइन आशीष, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस माइनस साइन, माइनस b means there is always a meaning for all the sign. If you are getting b negative it means पता है जब धीरे हम कब बोलते हैं, जब हम कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होते, जब हम कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं तो हम कभी धीरे नहीं बोलते, अपने आंसर को बिल्कुल अच्छे से बोल के बताते हैं। अजेंद्र अजेंद्र व्हाट इज माइनस साइन शो, रेल इज नॉट गुड, not good. Kashish, what is the meaning of this minus sign? Virtual. Minus sign show that the image is virtual. So you should know the meaning of all the signs. Okay? So you will say the virtual image is found at the distance of 100/7 centimeter from the concave lens. Okay, sit down please. पॉइंट पे निकाल सकते हैं आप इसके आंसर को, पॉइंट में निकाल लीजिएगा, पॉइंट में निकाल के बता सकते हैं। Okay, 14.2. So a virtual image is formed at a distance of 14.2 centimeter from the concave lens. Now one more question. An object placed 50 centimeter, 50. An object placed 50 centimeter from a lens produce a virtual image at a distance of 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter in front of the lens.
Virtual image
at a distance of 10 centimeter in front of the lens. Draw the diagram and calculate the focal length of the lens. Draw the diagram and calculate the focal length of the lens and magnification produced. चलो बताओ क्या लिखे हुए हैं, व्हाट इज गिवन द क्वेश्चन, हु इज गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन, रुद्रान नहीं रिशांत, यस रिशांत,
distance of the object from the lens,
this is
and distance of image,
distance of object, we represent the distance of object from
u,
so what is u here, minus
50
50 centimeter, okay good, and
distance of image,
yes, and since the image is virtual, so this is
minus
yes, this is v.
v.
Since we know that virtual image is formed, so we will say v will be negative. So v is minus how much? 10 centimeter. Okay, by applying the formula, you can easily find the value of f. Then find out the value of f. What is the value of f here? Right, Isha, sit down. I am doing this question only for the online students. I think you can do yourself. What is your answer? No. What is your answer? Okay, good. It is 12.5. F is equal to minus 12.5 centimeter. Very good. Sudhanshu. Good. And do you know what is the sign? Why the sign is negative? What is represent? If the F is negative, it means
Image is
no. F, the sign of F, focal length. No. देखो इमेजेस के बारे में आपको बी से पता चलता है, एफ से क्या पता चलता है? अगर ये पॉजिटिव आता है तो इसका क्या मतलब होता है, नेगेटिव है इसका क्या मतलब?
Correct.
नो. एफ नेगेटिव हो या पॉजिटिव हो क्या दिखाता है?
मैम क्योंकि जो पॉजिटिव एफ होता है वो जो स्फेरिकल मिरर होता है उसके अंदर आता है।
मिरर आ गया, लेंस पड़ रहा है। स्फेरिकल लेंस कौन सा होता है? दोनों स्फेरिकल लेंस है।
मैम जो स्फेरिकल लेंस का वो
दिस इज स्फीयर।
मैम ऐसा वाला पार्ट होता है तो इसके इस तरफ वो पॉजिटिव आता है, इस तरफ नेगेटिव आता है।
अपने आप से काफी अच्छी कोशिश करी। अब देखो सुनो, आपने पढ़ा था फॉर कॉन्वेक्स लेंस वी नो दैट फोकल लेंथ इज पॉजिटिव। होता ही होता है, ऐसा पढ़ा था ना, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस में फोकल लेंथ पॉजिटिव थी और कॉन्केव में नेगेटिव है। तो अगर आपके पास माइनस का फोकल लेंथ है, इट मींस द लेंस इज कॉन्केव लेंस। इन द क्वेश्चन इज there is not written in the question that this is a concave lens. पढ़ के देखो क्या लिखा है, concave lens है, नहीं है ना? So by this sign of the focal length, we can say that the lens is concave lens. Okay? So this line minus sign of focal length show that the lens is concave lens. And how can you find the magnification here? How simple, V upon U. What is the value of V upon U here? M is equal to V is how much? Minus 10 upon minus 50 is 1 upon 5. The magnification is 1 upon 5. It means the length of the image will be 1/5 of the original object, of the height of the object. Is it clear to you? Now we are going to our last part of the chapter, that is power. What is the power? This is not the power of that part of physics like the work done upon time. It's not that power. Lens power. Yes, this is the lens power. Okay. Just try to understand it. देखो. These are two lenses. Okay. This is the thick lens, and I am making a thin lens. You know what is the difference between these two lenses? What is the difference between the two lenses? A thick lens and a thin lens? अब हम आपसे कोशिश अच्छी कर लेते हो, थोड़ा सा दूर रह जाते हो। देखो, जितना थिन लेंस उतनी ज्यादा उसकी फोकल लेंथ होती है। तो आप ऐसे करके बनाओगे ना इसका कर्व, ज्यादा दूर से बना और ये पास से बना। जितना थिन लेंस होता है उसकी फोकस उतना ही दूर होता है, ठीक? और जितना थिक लेंस होता है उसकी फोकस उतनी ही पास होती है। और इसका मतलब समझ रहे हैं?
समझ
नहीं बेटा, अभी अधूरा है। मैंने पूरा समझाया नहीं, आपने क्या समझ लिया? पूरा पावर समझा।
जितना छोटी लेंस होगा ना उसका फोकस पॉइंट एकदम दूर होगा।
हाँ, चल ये आप समझ लिया। अब आगे का समझिए। देखो, अब जो लाइट रेज यहाँ आ रही है पैरेलल, आपको पता है कहाँ जाएगी? फोकस की तरफ। यहाँ जो पैरेलल है फोकस पे जाएंगे। अब मुझे बताओ किसने लाइट को ज्यादा कन्वर्ट किया?
ठीक हुआ।
मतलब ठीक है, कौन लाइट को ज्यादा जल्दी मिला रहा है? जितना थिक लेंस होगा लाइट को उतना जल्दी कन्वर्ट कर रहा है ना, जितना थिन लेंस है कम कर रहा है। कौन कन्वर्ट ज्यादा कर पा रहा है? जिसकी फोकल लेंथ कम है। तो ये ज्यादा कन्वर्ट कर रहा है तो लाइट रेज को। अभिषेक, व्हाट आर डूइंग इन नोटबुक? हाँ, व्हाट आर डूइंग? बेटा मैं आपको टाइम देती हूँ ना बातें बनाने के लिए, पहले समझना इंपॉर्टेंट है ना। समझने के तो आप खुद भी बना सकते हो, बनाने के बाद खुद समझना आसान नहीं है फिर। चलो टेल मी, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस थिक एंड थिन लेंस?
Thick lens focus
Near to it, and thin lens has the focus far away. Okay, and what is about the power? Which has the high power and why?
And thick lens है high power because focus is
नियर टू इट, या आप ये कह सकते हो क्योंकि लाइट रेट को ज्यादा कन्वर्ट कर रहा है। देखो ये जो लाइट सीधी आ रही है सबके पास, दोनों के पास सीधी पहुंच रही है, जो ज्यादा जल्दी इकट्ठी कर देगा उसका होता है ज्यादा पावर का है। तो कौन जल्दी कन्वर्ट कर पा रहा है? ये लेंस, और ये तो कम कन्वर्ट कर रहा है इसके कंपैरिजन में। तो किसकी पावर ज्यादा है? विच हैज द लेस फोकल लेंथ। सो इट मींस पावर इज डिपेंड ऑन द फोकल लेंथ, एंड वी कैन डिफाइन द पावर लाइक दिस, the power is reciprocal of the focal length. समझ में आती है बात? सृष्टि, what are you doing? बेटे मैं आपको टाइम देती हूँ ना बातें बनाने के लिए, तो फिर अभी क्यों बनाना है? फिर खाली बैठना होता है उसके बाद। अभी समझना इंपॉर्टेंट है या नहीं है? अभिषेक सिट डाउन, इधर देखो सृष्टि, पूछ लूंगी अगला क्वेश्चन है आपसे। More the focal length, less will be the power, and less the focal length, more will be the power. It means power depend on the focal length. Okay, and we can say power is inversely proportional to the focal length. But the one important condition for it is this, that focal length should be in meter. When you represent the focal length in meter, then you can say that the reciprocal of the focal length is called the power. Okay, is it clear? And we write the unit of power is, the SI unit of power is, you know, yes, what is the, you have open your book, close your book, फिर बताओ, बंद करो बंद करो। What is the diopter? Actually diopter is the SI unit of the power. ठीक है? So we represent the diopter by using the symbol capital D. This is the unit of power. Is it clear? Now you can write it. You can write down it. You can write a definition of power. The power of a lens, the power of a lens is a degree of measure, is a measure of, the power of a lens is a measure of, measure of the degree of convergence, the degree of convergence or divergence, degree of convergence or divergence falling on the lens, degree of convergence and divergence of light rays, please mention it, of light rays falling on the lens. It means the degree of convergence, how much this lens can converge the light is actually defined its power. As much as can converge the lens, as much as it can converge the light rays, we will say it has a high power. Or which will converge the light rays less, we will say it has a less power. So जितना ज़्यादा converge करेगा उतना ज़्यादा converging lens है, उतना ज़्यादा उसकी power है. और same for the concave lens. You know, this is the concave lens, and this is a very thick lens. Thick and a thin lens. You know the thin lens have the focus at distance, and this thick lens will have the focus near to it. Now the light which is coming parallel is appear to diverge from this focus. देखो ये कितना कन्वर्स कर रहा है, ये कम कर रहा है ना, राइट इतना ही कन्वर्स हुई है, इसमें कितनी ज्यादा हो गई है, जबकि और दोनों पैरेलल है. तो जितना ज्यादा फोकल लेंथ उतना ही कम डाइवर्जिंग पावर, जितनी कम फोकल लेंथ उतनी ज्यादा डाइवर्जिंग पावर. ओके, सो द पावर डिपेंड ऑन द फोकल लेंथ, द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द फोकल लेंथ.
ज्यादा डाइवर्स ज्यादा है,
ज्यादा डाइवर्जिंग इज कम फोकल लेंथ, ज्यादा पावर. Have you got the formula for the power? Okay, now write down it. The short focal length, the length of short focal length, the length of short focal length The lens of short focal length has more power. Whereas the lens of long focal length has less power. Now please write down the relation between the power and the focal length. Write it in the next paragraph. The power of lens is defined as the reciprocal of the focal length in meter. The power of the lens can be defined as the reciprocal of the focal length in meter. Now, please again write down this formula. P is equal to 1 upon f, and we should write it as in meter. Okay? Please again write this formula. Power is equal to 1 upon f, and f should be in meter. Then write down the SI unit of power. In next paragraph, write it. The unit of power in lens is diopter. Bend handwriting. Diopter. D-I-O-P-T-E-R. Diopter, and the symbol we represented this D, capital D. We represent it by using the symbol capital D. Achha, what is the meaning of the one diopter power? If I am telling you that the power of a lens is 1 diopter, what is the meaning of this? Raghav, what is the meaning of this statement that the power of the lens is 1 diopter? Raghav, what is the meaning of this one? This statement? When should be this power is 1 diopter? When it will become 1 diopter? जब फोकल बोलो हाँ सही है, बोलो तो सही, बोलो गलत सही कुछ भी बोलो। जब फोकल कितना होगा, फोकल है कितना होगा, उतने तो 1 meter. So what is the meaning of 1 diopter? 1 diopter means the lens have the focal length of 1 meter. So write down it, 1 diopter. Good. Sit down. अपनी बात बोलने से डरा नहीं करते हैं ना, बोला करते हैं, तभी तो पता चलेगा सही हो या गलत। तो नहीं बोलोगे तो कैसे पता चलेगा? So you can write it, 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Ashish, why you are not writing it? 1 diopter of power of a lens means the focal length of the lens is 1 meter. Of the lens is 1 meter. Okay, the sign which we use for the focal length of the lens is also used for the power. Means if you use the positive sign for the convex lens, है ना, the focal length of the convex lens is positive, so the power of convex lens is also positive. And if the focal length of concave lens is negative, it means the power of the concave lens is also negative. Okay, please note down it. The power of convex lens is positive. The power of convex lens is positive. Lens is positive, and the power of concave lens is negative.
Yes, ma'am.
Concave lens is negative. Now write the one numerical question. A convex lens is of focal length 10 cm. A convex lens is of focal length 10 cm. 10 cm. What is its power? Convex lens. Who is going to explain this question? other than this guy? Anyone else? Ajendra, how can you solve this question? Not good. Shishtinavan, how can you solve this question? Yeah, since we know that P is equal to 1 upon F. But better you know the focal length should be in meter. So first of all you should convert this centimeter into meter. Okay. Now convert the centimeter. We know the focal length of convex lens is always first rate. So we will say that focal length is how much? N. Is it? So convert it into meter by dividing it by 100. Yeah, it will be 1 upon 10. You can say 1 upon 10 or can be 0.1. 0.1 meter. So now you can find the value of power. Okay? The focal length should always be in